Hi, I'm George from Hire a Kombi. We're here at Cumberland River Caravan Park for a bit of a camp out, and I'm going to show you how to make the tastiest and easiest popcorn over a fire. What we need is some good quality coconut oil. We've got the extra virgin organic here, maybe just a little bit. We're making popcorn for 5 of us, so just a little bit over a tablespoon of oil, and let that melt down a little bit. I've got my pot nice and hot, and some good quality popping corn. I mean, anything works, but we're lucky enough to live quite close to the Whole Foods store in Queenscliff, and we get the organic popping corn. So you want your pot to be nice and level. Drop your popcorn into the pot. That's enough for 5. Put the lid on. Give it a stir. And we'll come back in 5 minutes. Should be ready. A few minutes over the fire. Oh, she's still popping a little. We have enough heat in the pot that the rest of the kernels will just do what they have to do. Time to serve up. A little for the kids and a lot for the adults. Sprinkle some salt and you're ready to eat. Enjoy.